A very big thing with fire departments, especially in recent years with all the cancer studies that have come out, is good, clean gear. So here we have a Unimac extractor. What's really nice with the way our systems work is we have a couple different options. So no matter what type of extractor you may have, we can find a solution that will fit the department. Here's a Unimac. What's nice about these is they will actually program in to our equipment. So all a firefighter has to do is put his supply number. We give them these numbers and hit the go button, and everything else will happen automatically. Our equipment back here, our OPL will dispense the correct amount of detergent and or sanitizer, whatever's needed by the system coding, and we'll let the gear come out smelling fresh and clean, and we'll remove as many contaminants as possible.